Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to ban slash kick out players from your Minecraft realm. Now there are multiple reasons why you would want to do this, such as if the player is griefing or using hack, or if he's just not invited to your realm and you don't like him. Alright, so the difference between kicking out and banning a player is actually when you kick out a player they can they can rejoin very easily, and if you ban a player they're permanently banned until you undo the ban. So in case you ban a player by mistake, you can actually undo the ban. Alright, so what you want to do is press escape and go to the star next to the player that you want to ban or kick out. Alright, and click on the star. And as you guys can see, his permission level is a member. You can either promote him if you want to an operator level, give him OP, but that's not what you want to do. You want to ban the player or kick the player, whichever you would choose. And now in case you have banned a player by mistake or you want to take a player back, what you have to do is go into your settings. All right, so go into your settings, go into the members section and go all the way down and you'll see the blocked. All right, the list of blocked people over here, and then what you can do is actually unblock them. So yeah, it's that simple. All right, now so with that said, I've come to the end. I know it's a really short video, but I had to make this one. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now goodbye.